This is my Onson D18E vacuum. It still works perfectly fine. You can see it vacuums fine. But the problem is this motor floor head brush vacuum cleaner part. It stopped working. First it was the cable over here that wasn't working anymore, which I reconnected. But now it has a number of bad things. Let me connect it to show you. It doesn't move anymore. That's the big thing. So what I really need is just this whole thing replaced, because it's tiring replacing the little parts. And I'll show you when I turn it on, nothing happens. The light turns on over here, but the motor doesn't move. So, if I take this off, pull it out, kind of hard to pull out these days. First big problem is this. This thing doesn't go in anymore. It comes out. Sorry, you can't see, but this thing doesn't stay in anymore. I think the gear broke off. So I don't know. You could try gluing it on. You can see how loose it is right now. Actually, it comes off. There, I show you. So it has metal grooves in here, which keep it in place. But you can see over here, it looks like it's totally stripped. So that's the first problem. That's the hardest problem to fix, besides the other problem. Now, if I turn this vacuum on, it doesn't even move. And that's moving now. So we gotta start. Anyways, the main point of this video is a lot of things that break. I think I need to open this up and check on this motor piece, see if it needs to be, the gear is broken or needs to be oiled. But then this thing came off and it won't stay. So even if I glue it on, it's not a recipe for it lasting, that's for sure. So again, going back to this, I just need this part on my Onson vacuum or something compatible. I mean, when you go to Dyson, you can see Dyson has issues with this breaking and they have a replacement part. So this is the replacement part I need. And this is common that it breaks on these generic stick vacuums. So that's it. So as I said, this gear breaks off. I can pop it back in temporarily over here. Here it snaps a little bit. But now when I turn it on, it just comes off really easily. So what I'm going to try to do is, I'm going to try to put some glue into there, and then attach this. The good thing is when I attach this to the actual vacuum over here, it does spin. You can't see it, but it's spinning. The biggest problem now is someone had mentioned that this little gear fell off, and the problem with this is there's no easy way to put this back on, or no easy way to get this part. Maybe Onson does have this part available, or what I'd really like to just do is I'd really just like to replace this head part. But as I mentioned, Dysons have it. Dysons, if you buy a Dyson, they do have head replacements. So anyways, That's what I'm going to try to do right now. First, really straightforward. Not coming out. I couldn't use this because it was clogged, so I manually took it out using like a toothpick. It's in there, the glue. So now it's a matter of me popping it in there. Sorry you didn't see, but I popped it in. And now I'll just let it sit for a few minutes. Hopefully it doesn't glue the whole thing to the top. Now I have to leave it like this so the glue doesn't come onto the motor part over here. So I'll come back in, let's say a few hours, want it to really set in. It's glued and it's been about an hour. I'm very impatient. I should really wait, but I'm gonna try it out right now to show you. So it's working for now. Sorry, probably this is better light. Should really let it dry, but I'm impatient. I'm going to put it together right now. Put the brush back on. Sort of back in business until it breaks again. So that little gear piece can break pretty easily over time or it just wears out. Wish there's an easy way to replace it. Probably have to call Onson or something. But let's see how long this lasts. So I just vacuumed the house with this and it's running fine. Let me show you. I'll turn it on right now. Smells just fine. So that's good news. See, it's off now. And then let me open the. And this is all the dirt I collected throughout my house. Vacuumed for about 20 minutes, so seems to be working. Kind of nice. So if that little gear part at the end over here breaks, this end over here, you might get lucky and be able to super glue it back on. Just remember not to put too much glue. Time will tell how long this little gimmick fix works, but I'm hoping it lasts a little bit longer and maybe I can find some type of replacement head brush. But we'll see. Glue usually doesn't last too long. So far, one use.